Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutcheon, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Getty today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
And welcome back.
That's right, Caroline and Company, we're right here. Now we're going to talk a little bit with the lawyers at the beach. These people can help you with anything in the world. And every time we turn around, we got somebody. Norton on with us today, Norton Getty. And this is the law firm of McCutcheon, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Getty. Now we're going to talk a little bit today about buying a home, which everybody has to do at least one time in their life.
Absolutely. See, so one of the things I want to talk about today is just what is the process for buying a home? Once, hopefully the first thing you do is you've talked to your bank, you've gotten pre-qualified, you've gotten a good realtor, you've been out there in the market, you found what it is you're looking for, and now you're ready to really close the transaction. How do we do that? The first thing you need to do is make sure that you have your insurance in place, so you let your insurance company know that you have a house picked out. Let your lawyer know that you have a house picked out. In South Carolina, you do have to have a lawyer involved in the transaction to purchase or mortgage property. Send your contract to your bank, because even though they pre-qualified you, they have to qualify the house. So the lawyer goes ahead, as soon as we get the title, we order the title and the title history of the property to see who owns it. Make sure your seller owns it to sell it to you, that there are no problems. We get that into a binder, which we send to the bank to make sure they're ready to close. Once that happens, the bank sends us documents a little while after that. The documents come in, we look at those, make sure that get those prepared for your closing. We prepare a final document showing what kind of money you're going to have to bring to closing, and then we set the date for you to come in and actually close with one of our lawyers. We sit down with you, make sure you understand the whole process. Now this can take 2 to 3 weeks, so there are a lot of steps involved, a lot of back and forth between the lawyer and the bank, a lot of back and forth with the lawyer and the insurance company. So you need to make sure you plan enough time to make sure you get what you want.
And the important thing is you need a lawyer to make sure, because the guy selling you this house could not even own the house, and he could take you for some bread.
Or may not, and he may not know that he has a
right.
problem. He may be unaware that before he bought it, somebody else had a problem. But that's what we're here for. We're here to make sure that you're taken care of.
All right, now, after the purchaser gets possession of the home, is he through with his lawyer then?
At that point, that's when we tell you, you know what, it's good to have a law office like ours that has multiple attorneys do different things, because if you haven't looked at your estate documents, if you haven't looked at having a will, it's a great opportunity to have a will. Amanda needs to know she's got kids. She needs to make sure she's got a will to make sure they get taken care of if, heaven forbid, something happens. And so it's a good time to start looking at those other areas of your life where you may need protection.
All right, now y'all deal in a little bit of everything, right?
We do. We don't do any domestic law, but we can help you with purchasing your home, working with your homeowners association, personal injury, heaven forbid you need that. But we do estate work as well, absolutely.
All right, well, that's very important. I remember when I bought my first home, they took me out of the room and took my wife out and asked her, was I forcing her to buy the house?
That's right.
You asked that question.
We don't do that now.
You don't? Okay.
Now, I hope that wasn't in South Carolina, because it was a long time ago we did away with that in South Carolina.
You're right on that. It was a long time ago.
You're talking about dower rights, and in South
it.
Carolina we don't respect dower rights, so we don't do that in South Carolina anymore. But we do go through and make sure that everybody is signing. Everybody who needs to be there is signing.
Everybody's right.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Appreciate it. We're talking about your lawyers at the beach. If you want to know anything, send us an email, and we'll be glad to ask them a question. Anything you want to know. Okay?
All right, Caroline and Company, be right back.